Want your release notes or reports to reach the right people automatically? Now transform hours of email distribution into a seamless automated workflow with Automated Release Notes and Reports app for Jira. Create your perfect email template in minutes. Let our smart automation rules take over from there. Easily set automation rules that can send updates to specific Jira users, project roles, user groups, or issue stakeholders like assignees, reporters, and watchers. Need to reach external stakeholders? Simply add their email addresses or connect with Salesforce, HubSpot, and other CRMs for seamless distribution. Enhance credibility by delivering updates through your official company domain, complete with SMTP configuration and reply management. Want to go the extra mile? Attach your release notes and reports as PDF, Word, PowerPoint, Markdown, and more. Level up your project communication with Automated Release Notes and Reports for Jira.